everybody, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 2-star property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. You can see on the screen that the location is done by attractions and landmarks also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Of this property, so you can see on the screen, will be required to present photo ID as check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is fine. Details love to enjoy the surroundings. Visibility online, you can book them online and enjoy your stay. Benefits and offers are available online for this property along with various lead plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Channel and press the bell icon so that you don't